Can you do this?
E questo?
Oh, that's
He's making laugh. He's laughing.
yeah, I thought like we should just warm up just to start this video. It's incredibly cold. Hello world.
Hello world.
We are underground and this is the first time we're filming in this room. Now, for those of you who already subscribed to this channel, you have seen this room before and we were painting the last time. But now we are taking care of the last... Sorry,
Again.
I keep bumping.
I want an helmet. Please comment down below if Chiara needs an helmet.
Next season we're going to do that
Yes,
one.
please.
It's okay.
Pink.
We're still under construction, but we thought, hey, why don't we start to film in this room?
I think it's pretty cool. So this is not the only physical room that we have here, of course, and we're still working on all of them, so we can share it in just a little bit, and there's gonna be a lot more in the next episodes. But
It's funny when you say physical room, because if this is the first time you watch one of our videos, we started this project in the digital world. So we built a digital creative space and then we thought to expand it in the real world, building this. So this is actually the first official video we are filming in one of these rooms. But yeah, as you said, there are plenty more you can explore. And how can you do that? Well, we came up with an interesting idea. So far, we are running on our server, so we have limited access and not everybody can come in and visit. We shared some secret keys to enter the digital part of our creative center in every video we released so far.
So it's 40 keys in totals.
So far, yeah.
Yes, that you can find in all of our videos. And can we give a hint?
Yeah. A key looks like this. Okay, you get the idea.
Yes.
So the keys are hidden in the videos and some are more obvious and easy to spot and others are hidden and
It's a little bit more difficult to see
trickier to spot. But if you want to enjoy secret content hidden in the digital building, well, you're welcome to enter over at mode0.xyz or XYZ as you prefer.
as you pronounce it.
Type in the keyword you find in our videos and enjoy whatever adventure waits for you. Call to action. We have plenty of things. Sorry, I just punched your face.
Again. Comment.
We have plenty of things planned for next year. So if there's anything you like or anything you'd like to see more, well, let us know. In case you didn't like this video yet, thumbs up, like the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet,
Please do it
now.
Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Click on that button, the little alarm thing. Yeah, but it's gonna dislocate.
No, I like this. It's so good. You should try it. Try it.
Can you do this?
Sorry.
I know, broken.
Okay, that's it.